another cold day here. So yeah, the last time I think I tried to turn it over, it wasn't working. Messed with it a bunch today. I was losing my mind. Wiring's not my favorite. My dad suggested that maybe it was this, and he was right. It just didn't have it. It was dirty in there. I guess it just didn't have a good connection. So trying to turn it over a little bit.
What was that you said about your dad being right? Say that a little louder.
Quiet. Before you get too excited, I gave him a tour of your garage last video.
Thanks. Asshole. You get that from your mama.
We're getting closer, boys. Getting closer. I don't see any gas leaking yet. I'm happy. This is about to start, guys.
On too much chicken.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right. Let me spray a little more in there. All right.
Here we go.
Yep.
I think your timing's just off a little bit.
Yeah, I was moving it around a little while you were going.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yep. Alright. Well, I found the spots I don't want it. I found the spots where I don't want it. I kind of worked through there and you could hear whenever it was...
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, we're going to try to start this engine again. I was eating a chocolate bar. That's why my mouth looks ridiculous. I'll let you spray.
Okay, 2 to 4 seconds. Wait a minute, 2 to 4 seconds, no more than 3 seconds. Now,
Depends on how much you want to start.
or whether you want it to flame up into your face.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep. Here we go. Well, you want another shot?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll move that camera back just a hair.
Alright.
I'm afraid it's vibrate off. Okay. Why would it do that? Why would it change the rhythm the way it cranks? It's frustrating that it would change unless I got it too wet on that second spray.
I'm hitting the gas pedal too a little bit.
Yeah. I'm not sure that's
when it started going.
Oh, okay. Probably pumping that accelerator pump to get.
I'm going to try again.
You want to spray again or wait?
No, let's wait.
Okay. Well, it's not smelling gassy, so I don't think you're flooding it. I'd say if anything, it's,
I'm not leaking out the shafts. I think that float was the issue.
Okay.
which is good. I don't try not to catch my truck on fire. Next to the house on jack stands. Hey, it's on fire. Give me a second. Let me get the jack out.
Yeah.
Lower it down, air up that tire, push it back, move my truck.
You mean
Your house should be okay
I would snatch my tow strap out, hook it to my front
I still
bumper.
have to move my truck first.
I wouldn't worry about that. I think I could get a little bit, because it's a 30-foot strap. I can get a lot of run at it. It just smack the truck and push it back. So, I have solutions.
Oh. All right, let's give her a spray.
Okay. Okay, here we go. 1001, 1002, 1003. I did a 3. Well, we all hadn't really thought about the fact that if it does fire over, it's going to be so freaking loud because it's got no mufflers or no tailpipes at all.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm okay with that noise. Sounds like it's the fire. Alright. I wonder if that, like, that little canister on the side of the coil, if that has anything?
The condenser?
Yeah.
Well, didn't you get a new one with the...
No, just with the distributor. Are you ready?
Well,
Go give her a spray.
yeah.
I opened the choke up to see if that would help.
Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Closed it a good bit. Okay. 1001, 1002, 1003. Go for it. I mean, that's better.
Like it's not getting fuel because
Well,
when I'm
that's
on the gas, but it should start up without me being on the gas, you know?
right. Well, in theory at least. That running. Just save you.
Fail number 25. All right, I'll give you guys a little tour. It's winter here. It's cold. Yesterday I stitched up my seat. I think I showed you guys some of that. I didn't mount it yet because I'm not totally sure if I'm going to take this tank out or not. I'm not sure what's going on about getting fuel in, but it seems like I'm not getting fuel in very well to the car. But I also did just pull out a chunk out of the carburetor, so maybe it was a part of a fuel filter. But I sewed this up. I used some of this juke rope. Hopefully it holds up. I like how it turned out, except for the back of the seat is a different blanket. This one I bought in Ohio, the other one I bought in Mexico. I wish it was the same, but it's not. So I'm about to start up the engine. I'm gonna try to start it up. I took this neck off. The filter that was in there was intact, but it looked like there was another chunk of one up in this little tube. Not sure what was going on with that, but it did just try to kick a little bit, so I figured I'd get the camera out. So it still seems like maybe it's having problems getting gas, but it did kind of go for a minute, so hopefully it starts. we're burning down here. Looks like just the exhaust. Got some smoke down there, so hopefully it's nothing bad. Maybe it's just a leak down here. I can't believe that's going. I'm happy. I kind of jinxed it. I probably shouldn't hit the gas that hard. Super pumped. 33 years. I still gotta do my timing. Obviously adjust my idle and stuff. Looks like my fan wants to flop off here. Run it, boys. Woo. Nothing's on fire. I got no exhaust, so it sounds a little loud, but I'll take it all day. I'm just gonna let it run a little bit. I feel like it's just pumping oil throughout. Maybe it'll clean whatever's in the carb out. Ah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.